Are you tired to use expensive diesel in your car? Yes, are you changing the capacity of your motor?
Yes, how I can do it?
Well, we have the answer to this question. The new biodiesel.
This is my thought, and increase the capacity of your motor.
And also it's friendly with the nature. And for it we have scientists to explain it better. The scientist Luis Cabrera.
Hi people, as you know, the fossil fuels contaminate a lot the world. So Mars oil doesn't do that because it's made of by recycled products such as oils. And it's very good environment for that. It's a good thing.
It costs only 8 pesos in almost all the gas stations and you get it very easy. The new biodiesel max oil to produce a green wall.
After to do this activity, I conclude that we should use alternative sources of energy that are friendly with the environment, and we should reuse things that we may think are waste, but with those we can produce source of energy. As example, the biomass. Biomass is biological material from many industries or from municipal garbage dumps. We can use biomass directly or indirectly. Also, we can convert it in biofuel or we can use to produce electricity. Another example is the biodiesel that can replace the gasoline and is made of vegetable oil, animal fat, and grease from restaurants. There are many alternative sources of energy, so we should start to use them.
Hi, my name is Daniela Mendoza Coronado and this is my reflection. This activity was very interesting. I learned about the different rights and benefits of the hydrocarbon. For example, the benefits of using biodiesel are numerous and complex. These benefits contribute to the neighborhood that hold our communities and society together. They support the life on our planet in a positive way for all. Biodiesel is not harmful to the living beings or the environment. Using biodiesel promotes health life and a healthy environment. This is not toxic and biodegradable. Reduce harmful pollutants emitted into the air. The reduction of greenhouse gases. Uses waste products. Biodiesel is a part of one solution to a multi problem. It is a part of the solution and is one that addresses many levels. Some might support it used for the environment or healing reasons. I think that we should find different sources of the energy because someday our research are finished. I think that it's important to now investigate more sources of energy like new materials and technology that are more efficient but do not contaminate and many that are not very expensive. That's all.
I conclude that it's very important to reach in each country new materials because can be a change in the world. This can be more friendly with the environment to avoid the destruction of a world and the development of warning world. Also, these materials replace the materials that we use and some we will need. Such are the new materials will be cheaper and easier to get it. It's important to stop to investigate where can we find more new materials and they can give us more benefits than others.
We chose made biodiesel because it's a new form to produce energy, but it isn't the only one material which is friendly with the environment. So I learned that we need searching for new forms of energy, like for biodiesel or wind energy, because the most used substances in our daily life are the fossil fuels, which through combustion pollute the environment. So creating materials and products friendly with the environment reduce the pollution. And for example, we can buy appliances to contribute to this and contribute to less pollution of the world.
With this activity, I have learned about many different things. Some of them I already know, but others I didn't know yet. Some of them are the new technology that don't affect the environment. So it's important to know them because they are friendly with the world, so we can make a change because the pollution on the earth is affecting the ozone layer that protects us from the radiation. And the burning of fossil fuels do that. So it's important to use new technology like biodiesel to help our world and don't pollute or load it because it's our only home.
Well, my conclusion is that our society we use energy resources that damage the environment, such as the fossil fuels. A derivative is the gasoline. But also of us doesn't use an alternative energy, which are very important to decrease that pollution that all create. So with the biodiesel we can do it because this has the previous characteristic and also has biodegradable substance which could are renewable. It is useful in many activities such as alternative gasoline in the vehicles and in some industrial activities. So with this type of alternatives resource we could change our life and conserve the fossil fuels.
Think about the products that will be friendly with the environment and associate this mega dream within our days and with the development of the technology. In some years could be a product as that. But meanwhile, the clothing is great. We have to think about how much rate is that kind of gasoline, oil, and other carbon products is making in our world. Maybe it is not easy to take care of the environment, but if we do, it will be a positive change in the way we live, our health, and our money. Because walking, using bike, or transport is a lot cheaper than the gasoline.